Well, as many of you know, we at Building Green have been reviewing products, publishing curated lists since the dark ages, when many people thought recycled content was all that mattered, right? Anyone remember this? Over the years, though, the industry has evolved. This thing called LEED came along, and so, of course, we evolved with it. We created LEED User, we added LEED filters to our database, but we never let go of our own approach to filtering products, because frankly, those original LEED filters were all about recycled content, regional materials, etc. They just don't tell the whole story, right? And all along, we've relied on an approach that I call informed common sense. Common sense told us that you have to look at the entire life cycle of a product. Green specs in just one area are not enough. Common sense told us that different criteria take precedence in different product categories. The top concerns for carpet are just not the same as the top concerns for roofing material. And common sense told us that whether an object is green in itself is really only part of the story. The application and how you use it really matters as well. So, the piece of information that we struggled with the most over the years, as part of our assessment, as part of our review, was about product contents and toxicity. We turned to our friends at Pharos for help and came up with some pretty helpful references, I think, for the design community. Something distilled and simplified enough that designers could actually use it in their process, right? Spec this, not that. Can't get much better than that, right? But the data to work from on these was rare and hard to find. So we helped convene some leaders in the design community and created something called the Health Product Declaration. A July 2010 meeting in Seattle really kicked this thing off, and it's been a wild ride. Initially, designers helped jumpstart demand for HPDs with a famous series of letters to their suppliers. Tell us what you're made of, or else. Of course, it didn't hurt that LEED v4 came out with a credit encouraging the use of HPDs. Manufacturers have responded, and now we've got over 700 HPDs out there from over 140 different manufacturers, and counting. So everything is hunky-dory, right? We're getting all the data we want, we're all set. Mission accomplished? Well, not exactly. Now we're kind of in be careful what you wish for mode, because designers who demonstrate the demand for these HPDs are now trying to figure out what to make of them. All right, so the first step is to figure out which ones help you qualify and help you earn a point in LEED version 4. That's the easy part. The more fundamental question is, what are these disclosures telling us? How do we interpret them? Along with EPDs, along with certifications, along with any other intelligence we can bring to the table to figure out which products are really the ones we want to use. That's the work that we at Building Green do every day, in partnership with the firms and individuals who ask us the hard questions and share their lessons with us. So I hope you'll come by tomorrow to see top 10 green products for 2015, a session on the expo floor, and see the ones we're recognizing this year as the best in the industry for next year. And our next collaboration, which unfortunately I can't tell you about quite yet, but I'm really excited about, will help bring all this intelligence into a venue, out of the green ghetto, and into a venue where designers are already playing. Because we know that if we don't reach them in the space where they already exist, we don't have a chance of changing how everything is made. If we don't change how everything is made, we're not doing nearly enough. Thank you.